Financial decisions are crucial. They affect our daily lives. These choices impact not just our bank accounts, they also affect our minds. Money matters influence our mental health. The link between finances and feelings is strong. It's a complex relationship. Understanding this connection is important. It's key to overall well-being. Our mental state can affect our financial choices. Conversely, our financial situation can impact our mental state. This intricate interplay deserves attention. It requires careful consideration. Financial stress is a common problem. It affects many people. This stress can lead to various mental health issues. Anxiety and depression are common outcomes. Studies show a clear link. Financial worries and mental health problems are connected. People struggling financially often report higher stress levels. They experience more mental health challenges. Financial instability creates uncertainty. This uncertainty can be overwhelming. It can lead to feelings of helplessness and hopelessness. These emotions can significantly impact mental well-being. Living paycheck to paycheck is stressful. Constantly worrying about bills takes a toll. This chronic stress can lead to serious mental health problems. It can affect overall quality of life. Financial stress affects work performance. Employees struggling financially are often distracted. They may struggle to focus on tasks. Productivity decreases when finances are a concern. Absenteeism and presenteeism rise. Employees may take more sick days. They may be physically present but mentally absent. Financial worries can lead to errors. Employees may make mistakes due to stress. This can have negative consequences for the company. It can also impact the employee's job security. The workplace environment can exacerbate stress. A demanding job coupled with financial worries can be overwhelming. This can lead to burnout and decreased job satisfaction. It can also negatively affect overall well-being. Financial stress isn't just a mental issue. It impacts physical health too. Chronic stress weakens the immune system. It makes individuals more susceptible to illness. Stress manifests physically in various ways. Headaches, muscle tension, and digestive problems are common. Sleep disturbances are also frequently reported. These physical symptoms can further exacerbate mental health issues. The long-term effects of financial stress can be severe. Chronic stress increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. It can also contribute to the development of other chronic illnesses. Managing financial stress is crucial for maintaining physical health. Financial worries can lead to unhealthy coping mechanisms. Some individuals may turn to substance abuse to numb the stress. Others may develop unhealthy eating habits. These behaviors can further damage physical and mental health. Section 5. Generational gaps in financial stress. Financial stress affects different generations differently. Younger generations often face unique challenges. Student loan debt is a major stressor for many millennials and Gen Z. Baby boomers may worry about retirement savings. They may be concerned about having enough money to live comfortably. Healthcare costs are also a significant concern for this generation. Gen X often faces the sandwich generation squeeze. They may be supporting both their children and their aging parents. This can create significant financial strain. Each generation has its own set of financial concerns. Understanding these generational differences is important. It allows for tailored solutions and support systems. Section 6. Coping strategies for financial strain. Managing financial stress requires a proactive approach. Developing healthy coping mechanisms is essential. Mindfulness and meditation can help manage stress levels. Creating a budget is a crucial step. Tracking income and expenses provides a clear picture of financial health. It allows for better financial planning and decision-making. Seeking support from friends and family can be helpful. Talking about financial worries can alleviate stress. It can also provide valuable emotional support. Setting realistic financial goals is important. Breaking down large goals into smaller, achievable steps can make the process less daunting. It can also provide a sense of accomplishment. Section 7. Seeking professional guidance. Financial advisors can provide valuable guidance. They can help individuals develop a financial plan. They can offer advice on budgeting, saving, and investing. Mental health professionals can help manage stress. Therapy can provide tools and techniques for coping with financial worries. It can also address any underlying mental health issues. Credit counseling services can help with debt management. They can negotiate with creditors to reduce debt payments. They can also provide guidance on budgeting and financial planning. Seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It's important to reach out for support when needed. Professional guidance can make a significant difference in managing financial stress. Section 8. The employer's role in financial wellness. Employers can play a role in supporting employees' financial well-being. Offering financial literacy programs can empower employees to make informed decisions. Providing access to financial advisors can be beneficial. Employees can receive personalized guidance on their finances. This can help them manage their money effectively. Employee assistance programs, or EAPs, can provide support. EAPs offer confidential counseling and resources for various issues, including financial stress. Creating a supportive work environment is crucial. A culture of open communication can encourage employees to seek help when needed. This can reduce stigma surrounding financial difficulties. Section 9. Policy recommendations for financial health. Policymakers can implement measures to support financial well-being. Increasing the minimum wage can help low-income earners make ends meet. Expanding access to affordable healthcare can reduce financial strain. Healthcare costs are a major source of stress for many individuals. Strengthening consumer protection laws can safeguard individuals from predatory lending practices. These laws can help prevent individuals from falling into debt traps. Promoting financial literacy education in schools can empower future generations. Teaching children and young adults about personal finance can equip them with the skills they need to make responsible financial decisions. Section 10. A future of financial peace of mind. Achieving financial peace of mind is a journey. It requires ongoing effort and commitment. By understanding the link between money and mental health, individuals can take steps to improve their overall well-being. Building healthy financial habits is essential. Saving regularly, budgeting effectively, and managing debt responsibly are key components of financial health. Seeking support when needed is crucial. Reaching out to friends, family, or professionals can provide valuable assistance. It can make a significant difference in navigating financial challenges. Financial well-being is within reach. By taking proactive steps and seeking support when needed, individuals can achieve financial peace of mind and improve their overall quality of life.